Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Philips HL1600 Hand Blender. On the front of the box we have an image of the hand blender itself, and over here we have a little blurb that shows that this hand blender is a 650 watt blender. Over here we have a slogan that says fresh homemade food made easy. On the left hand side we have a generic image of some food. On the right hand side we have a few of the salient features, which include an optimal blade guard designed to minimize splashing, a high quality stainless steel rod and blades, and a powerful motor that supports blending of hot and cold ingredients. Over here we have a sticker on which there is some importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care details. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and the back of the box is exactly the same as the front. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of the instruction manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly so that you can safely operate the hand blender. We also have some warranty information. This is an international warranty, as it says so on the front, and this pamphlet will give you all the information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the hand blender itself, we can see that it comes in its disassembled state, and over here we have the shaft and blade side. It's finished in stainless steel, and on the underside we have the blades. This side corresponds to the motor side, and it can be assembled like this. The motor side is finished in white and has a glossy white finish to it all the way around. On the front we have the two buttons. The first one on top is the power button, which basically you press to power the motor, and over here we have the eject button that when pressed you can use it to disassemble the device once again. In the middle we have the Philips branding. On the back there is nothing to see. Over here we have a nice little handle which gives you a nice grip over the blender. There's nothing up top either. Coming now to the cable, we can see that it has a standard 2-pin Indian plug, and that's about it when it comes to the hand blender. So let's see it in action now. Here we have a power strip, and we can press the power button to activate the motor. So this was the unboxing of the Philips HL1600 Hand Blender. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.